How to close Interactive Broker's account. To begin, log into your account on the Interactive Broker's website using your account credentials. If you've forgotten your login details, there should be an option to recover them. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings section. Usually, you'll find this in the Account Management area. Click on it to proceed. Within the settings, look for an option specifically labeled Close Account. It might be positioned at the bottom of the page or within a drop-down menu related to your account.
When you select the Close Account option, the platform will likely ask you to confirm your decision. Take a moment to double-check that you truly want to close your account, as this action is typically irreversible. You might be asked to specify the reason for closing your account during the process. Keep in mind a couple of important things. If you have any open positions, investments, you'll need to handle them before closing the account. Either liquidate those positions or transfer them to another brokerage. Thanks for watching.